In today's video, we're going to be discussing phrases and what they are. Phrases are independent musical units that could be standalone units by themselves. Another way to look at a phrase is this. Phrases are complete and substantial musical thoughts that have a beginning and an end. Okay, most phrases are usually 2 to 4 measures long, sometimes longer. If you take a look at the example above the text, you'll see there is a phrase up here. And as a matter of fact, the phrase goes up, has a middle, beginning and middle, and then has an ending going down. And I actually have it on this finale piece here. So let me play it for you real quick. Alright, so that's one phrase. It can be elongated if we start it over. Or you can have that as two separate phrases. But the first phrase, or the first part, could be a phrase in and of itself. Usually has a beginning, middle, and an end, and that's this first one. And you'll see that there's a high and low point, like I said. And those are different types of phrases that we call question and answer, or antecedent and consequent phrases is another way to look at it. And what we'll be seeing in the next slides is there will be a lot of different ways in which the phrases have different lengths, different styles, and different meanings. And we'll go into more on that in the next slides. But the phrases by themselves, I repeat, are independent musical units or independent musical thoughts that can stand alone by themselves. Okay? And you can have phrases that are 4, 8, 12, and 16 bars. If you think a lot about blues music, it often has 12 bar phrases. 12 bars of 4 bars each, or 12 bars of 4 counts each. And you switch chords every 2 bars. So that's a common type of phrase that we go around. That's a common type of thing that we usually do in jazz and other music. So phrases are what make up the music. They're like clauses. In the musical language, they're like clauses. They're like clauses or minor sentences in English, and those shape our music all around that we compose. So I invite you to take a look at the next lectures. It will go into more detail on the antecedent and consequent phrases, and the following lecture after that will go into question and answer. Alright, so I'll see you in the next session.